Behind every great brand is a great in-house creative team that can do amazing things.
But quality work takes time, and with the never-ending requests for more, time is something they don't have.
But what if you could change that? What if you could instantly add bandwidth and expertise to your in-house team across all creative services?
No, not by outsourcing to another slow and expensive agency, but by pairing your creative team with their own creative team, made up of experts hired from the biggest brands with one shared goal, helping your creative team win. That's what you get with Superside, an extension of your team, powered by AI to increase the speed, scale, and efficiency of your creative, without the headaches and costs of a traditional agency. Because Superside is not an agency. We're a creative subscription designed for enterprise brands with affordable pricing that scales to meet your evolving needs. We're flexible, adapting to your ways of working while mastering the nuances of your brand to become a fully integrated part of your team. Because that's what it means to be a creative partner, the only creative solution built to keep up with you, supporting through day-to-day tasks and your brand's most pivotal moments. Get your creatives the time and support they need to perform at their best. With Superside, your creative team's creative team.